Biafra Liberation Army don't call out Hope Uzodinma and Nigeria Army say make they leave that girl where they carry yesterday where they do PS. Say the girl no do anything. No be that sef, they even buy him papa for the house where they set on fire. This thing happened yesterday. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If na your first time you dey come across this channel, you know say you never give us a follow and also subscribe to our channel. What you dey wait for? Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you go to get our updates back to back as it dey hot. Things are really happening. We are here today to bring you ogbonge news. This news is coming from Biafra Liberation Army. You don't come aside for this video when talk a lot of things and talk say that yesterday we did a battle with the Nigeria Army as many of their men come by. Now they come out go carry one girl where they say where they do PS along the roadside. And that one no do them. Now they buy one old man as well and also put in house fire. Something happened and this is happening yesterday. He thought say all these things now waiting Nigeria Army do yesterday. We go play you video when they talk this thing so that you go hear them by yourself and may you know wetin they go on and wetin happen yesterday. In case of na your side, you still go check for us and check wetin they happen for the area. Oh yeah, I'm gonna play the video for you, may you watch before we come back and continue.
I told you that yesterday was one of the history day. Yesterday was a Nkwo. Nkwo was the last day of the week, being the Sabbath day, the 7th day, and it was also the last market day in Igbo land. So, and he also represent the breeze. The breeze. So, it is the air that we breathe. And you know that every living thing cannot survive without oxygen. And guess what? It is a tree that produces oxygen. The tree, the plant. Every oxygen you inherit comes from a tree. So yesterday was a very historical day. And bad luck to the enemy of the land then decided to visit us on that very day. Then die plenty. Let me give you, I've said this in one of my programs, and I want to repeat it again. You see, this is 14 minutes to the hours of 12 p.m. 14 minutes to the hours of 12 p.m. The ground is safe and no evil. No attack. Yes, no attack. No war. Osumowo is free for now, right now as I'm talking to you. And I told you in one of my programs, for you to believe me that then die plenty yesterday, I've given you an expo. I say each time the zoo came today and fight the war the next day, that is very close, then fought today, as then fought yesterday, assuming then come again today, it means that the people that died, they did not die plenty yesterday. The death they incurred yesterday is not much. And the land was not certified with the blood shed. So he will kukuma draw them back and give them more strength to come back and die plenty. And as they come, since they didn't fall for the test of the gods of the land, they will fall plenty the next day. The gods are wise. And you will see us facing the war the next day again. And if they did not die, plenty also for the satisfaction of the gods of the land, the next day they will still engage us in war. But any day the land suck enough blood from them, you will not see them again for even the next 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month. It will be us that will be going, finding them go in their hiding place. I've told you this in one of my programs. The reason why they did not come today is because the land sucked enough blood yesterday. I've told you that yesterday, that the land of Biafra really claimed enough blood because then came plenty. People that saw them passing in their area will tell you that these people came. Imagine people that came with 20 armor tanker and uncountable healers. Then came plenty and then died plenty. Then came and they died. And because then died well, their body don't rest today. They did not show face today. It will take them some days, because even some of their soldiers that get injured or wounded soldier, their casualty then take away, will still end up dying in the hospital. Any of you where weapon the spirit of Biafra shoot, you did not die instantly. You will see die. You can never survive. Go and ask them whether any of the injured soldier or wounded soldier have ever survived from the wound. You don't know. There's a difference between when the human being shoots, when you sustain injury from human being, and when you sustain injury from the spirit. They don't understand this. I keep telling them that what we are doing is the spirit things. These people are so daft. They are so daft. They are so stupid. Islam are so stupid. I will use this word without the fear of favor. Islam are so stupid. The world could have been a very peaceful place, but Islam always bring war. Always believe that every other people are stupid. They are the only good people. Look, just imagine Fulani, very lazy people, very, very lazy people, and they think the people God inside with more knowledge and wisdom to make the war better, then think that we can go down to their level to be lazy like them, be doing rangadele. We were not born to be doing rangadele. We were born to change things around. If we exist in where things does not happen, we make things happen. That is our nature as a Biafrans. That is why the world appreciate us. The world appreciate us anywhere we find ourselves, because we are there to change the narrative. We are there to change things. We are there to make things happen. If things is being dull in that place, Biafrans are there to make things lively. Yes, if you don't know this. And instead of you to encourage us, you think you can kill the gifted gift from us? It is impossible. We promise you that in the next 1 year after Biafra restoration, the whole world will be queued up looking for visa to come to Biafra land. Yes, it is a promise. Just 1 year after Biafra independence, the whole world will be queuing up, fighting for visa to come to Biafra land. Because we will turn to Biafra, we will turn Biafra to the nation, to the place, the heaven. Your pastor have been deceiving you that you will go to. Yes. We will turn Biafra to that land where the street of that land is make up of gold. Because the street of Biafra will be ties with golds. You will see it with your own naked eye. Where every indigene of Biafra will live like king. Whether you go to school or you no go to school, whether you get mama or you no get mama, you'll be rich. You will be a king in your father's house. You will be a queen in your father's house. You will be a princess, a prince. Yes. The whole world will want to serve you for free. They will beg you, say, I just want to be your servant so that I will be living with you. They know, even the devil know. And that is why they are fighting. Biafra is the only civilized country, both in the spirit war and in the physical war, that will turn the whole war around. We are the light of the world. But do you know what? They cannot stop us. We are already in the level where they can no longer stop us. One general took off, he said, who is this? Colliding with Asadi Dokubo, sent him men, and he said, I can defeat these people. Then came in battalions yesterday. Waiting then see, they no believe. And their body then cool down. Please help me ask them, how far Nigeria military are market? Then collect them yesterday, wutu. And their body chill. Then threw more than 15 bombs yesterday. More than 15 bombs in Igbo land. But the only good thing, the only successful thing they did yesterday was to go and kill an old man and burn the man's house. That is the only achievement. The only achievement the military terrorists in Nigeria uniform, the Boko Haram, repentant Boko Haram in Nigeria uniform did yesterday in a land of Biafra was to kill an old man, kidnap one young girl, and burn their houses. And kill one 14-year-old boy. We are still looking for his corpse. But the information reaches us that they shoot the boy out of frustration. Then leave the combatant men, the gallant men in the bush that then claim they came to fight and pursue out and kill. Then leave and go and attack people in their houses. In their houses, in the community. Then leave bush where men who are good to resist them, then leave bush where they know where the men are. Go and attack innocent man, an old man for that matter, in his house. Kill the man and scatter the man's business. Burn the man's house down. Then went again and kidnap innocent girl that have been doing POS in the market of Ikotutu and burn their houses down.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. It's very good to watch video from beginning to end so that you understand everything and also hear everything. So now don't hear them. what I'm telling them is to find the picture of that girl, so that we'll make a flyer concerning the picture on that girl, and so that will be on social media, so that they will release that girl immediately. So this is what I'm telling them. They should fly it on social media, so that the social media bloggers will carry it and ask them to release this innocent girl. Okay, my people, I want you to share this video so that other people go hear them, other people go get the information of what they go on. And I also want you to follow and subscribe to our channel as well. We will see you for the next update. As they, say one video long like this, so we need to talk less, so that it go agree some people watch the full video as well. So I will see you for the next update. One update now.